Hello, good morning. It's Sahara. So how are you? How'd you today? I was just sleepy. I have a dream, a lot nightmares. So anyways, I was in the kitchen. I ate breakfast, and I was on last night. Then I was just wanting to know the sky, like I was spaced. You know, nothing to be deal. Oh, anytime. We're working on, I mean, I gotta eat bacon or eggs or no more cakes or something. My head hurts so bad, but I just wanted to really need to know, you know, something to be deal. How that'll work. I just wanted them to know, and it's just a big deal. So anyways, how's your day? Good? Fine? Bad? So tired? Or something? You don't know? Okay then. So, how you can pay out to be? I mean, I was just over there telling about my sister. You know, she was just like maybe the Elsa because Elsa one could be everything. I mean, my sister, she was fine and tired, and everything else is from whatever. Anyways, I just wanted to know. I just think else could it be? Because I read there's runner in the cartoon and the movies and Zootopia, Jason and Batman. He was fine and cool and do action. Then, okay then, I'm thinking about Gruder. He was a Gruder good one. She was fine. I love her voice. She be hot. It's in Zootopia. Then I was just wanting to be else. I called a lot, sorry. I put him in the house and do it myself. You mean like you like that? Do you see? You see? You see it? I just wanted to do it on my own. You see? Oh, my finger. You see? And you see it? Can you see it? You see it? Can you read? Can you read? Can you read? Can you read? Okay, good. I was just doing my job. I was walking on the park and take it to your video for you at YouTube. Then my mom called me and ruined my video. And I go home and you're in trouble and then I borrow a laptop. It's like, what? I don't know exactly what that means. Like, you know, so to be, I was like, gonna edit. Like, you know, I was just fail. How is it going to get out in the pine? I don't know how to speak English, Spanish, China, a spot, or something, or nothing, or no, nothing. I mean, I just want to get anything else, can be anything. Really, like, what? I don't understand what it means. Like, because anything else, it can be anything, like, another big deal. So I was looking like my head hurts so bad at my home because with my dog Lucy, she was tired and relaxing a bit. You say hi? You say hi? Can you say hi? Hi? You were my dog. You were my dog. Oh. Hey. Don't smell. Right. Okay. Don't shake it. I'm excited. Lucy, she was so excited, but actually, Lucy. I was just working on YouTube. I mean, okay. That's enough. Resist it. Okay. So, anyways, Lizzie, she was just be happy and smiling, and the people, she was barking at fight the dog, or something. Maybe she was excited about family and friends and the people. So, anyways, how was that videos? Because she was out of the window. You see? You saw? Good. So, I just wanted to tell else, and then I would want to know. But you also say, what? I don't say what that means. Like, other else, Penny, she was fine, and she's my cat. She's my baby. So, anyways, so I have to go, and thank you for watching the video. If you have food challenge, it is YouTube. Good luck. Bye.